Garment manufacturing process involves various steps. Begin fabric in labels is received and usually start in factory's warehouse. Secondly, fabric relaxing is performed either manually or mechanically, so as fabric relax or contract. Meanwhile, fabric quality is assessed by manual spot checking. If fabric has defects, it will be returned to manufacturer. Thirdly, fabric is cut into uniform piles and then it is spreaded. Next, fabric is cut according to garment form and layered on pieces. Instead, for fabric is embroidered and screen print. Both embroidery and screen printing are determined by the customers. Following this, sewing machine operator receive cut fabric and separated by sew the same portion of garment, passing to the neck of operators. After that, spot on fabric are often marked with sticker and taken to spot cleaning area. Then garments are cleaned using steam, hot water or chemicals, then remove. Then garments is transferred to the ironing selection for final pressing. At the final step, garments are folded, flagged, sized, and packaged in protective plastic bags. Lastly, final products are placed in cardboard boxes and shipped to client distribution center to be sold in the retail store.